I am now a manager, so I've brought Hansraj with me to keep me honest. A little of where I've come from. 88, I started as an RPG programmer on the System 36, quickly moved on to the 400, and I've been there ever since. Within the bank, it's taken a few years to stop calling it the I series, but we are finally there. We finally have internal documentation saying IBM-I, which is lovely. I've been with the bank 14 years, huge changes over that time. We don't wear suits. Okay, I believe we have world-leading I-Series CAD solution now. It's taken graphical development of our heritage systems. I'm not going to be using the term legacy. We can stop using that one as well. We're using industry standard tools. We've got, was and still is an innovative approach, which has delivered real benefits to us. We started looking at DevOps on the I about 5 years ago. There was nobody doing this, and there are still very few people doing this. We are running, I mean, it's been alluded to the global network, and we do have over 200 LPARs running. For now, this is where we are. So using Arcad as base on the I, but yeah, RDI, RTC, Arcad for the native I stuff, Arcad all the way. The repository was mentioned earlier, and it's one of the impressive things about Arcad. It holds so much information about your application itself, but it's one of the benefits that we've seen. The analysis it helps, it simplifies the way that you can make a change to a program. Just make one line change in one program, and the repository itself holds all the information and brings in all of the other programs or all the other tables that need to be recompiled. So from a developer's point of view, you make your code change, you don't need to worry about what's associated with that. Arcad picks that all up. And that's one of the time savings that we've found with it. You don't really need, as a developer, to be worried too much about what else you're impacting. You've got your code change, you make your code change, and then send it off. Automated builds, automated code scanning, deployment to test environments, the automated tests, and also the automated delivery to production. We've got parallel development, which is much smoother using those graphical tools as well. The business value is the big one. The 85% improvement in build times, it's been a phenomenal change for our code, for our application teams. They're just getting so much more work done, and they're putting so many more changes in place. 75% shorter delivery times, that's directly impacted my team. We just provide that framework that allows them to make those changes go faster. Thank you. 80% reduction in downtime. We've all got shorter windows to get those production releases in. With the continuous availability, with the demands from the business about improving the time that they have with their applications, we've been able to drop those windows significantly. The release through Arcad, the delivery of the changes through Arcad is much quicker now compared to semi-automated manual systems that we've had previously. Yeah, the ROI on the entire process has really sold itself to the bank. we get a much stronger product at the end. 25% improved efficiencies in coders. Again, the benefits of RDI or Git or whichever one you want to use. And also the modernization of code as well, which we're starting to look at. It's about bringing on that new blood, about trying to find somebody to replace a 20+ year coder. And the 60% reduction in support as well, that's been really noticeable. Again, graphical, some of the changes we've done here. It's just taken what was a large manual process across different regions. It's brought it all together. I run a global team now rather than having 3-4 different regions to control. And yeah, the improvements we've made with the graphical adoption and DevOps, it's allowed us to do a lot more with a lot more speed. We have over 300 I applications. We have 1,000+ Arcad applications. For those who use Arcad, it's all built on applications, and we're running over 1,000 of those. We have 1,500 RPG developers, which is enough. We do thousands of changes every year. There are thousands of scheduled changes going through the tool. And it is a global install base from Argentina to Taiwan, or that's quite a short jump. Depends which way you go. But yeah, so we cover an awful lot of coders, we cover an awful lot of applications, an awful lot of countries, and it is at the moment supported by a team of 7 people. Audit, bane of my life. With Arcad, my audit time has dropped to 30%. It saved me so much effort. The way the audit covers my access, really. So the way I've got 1,500 RPG developers and 1,000 associated people all enrolled within Arcad, it's much easier for me to pull all that information together now so that I can then throw that out to our external auditors and get a great big tick. And this week, IBM-Arcad. We've had our first installation of Arcad on the IBM-Arcad, and that was completed yesterday. So that's brand new there. That is really all from me. I've kept it short because we're nearly lunch. Any questions? They're very responsive. We have a good relationship with their support team in India. Very good. They know what they're talking about. Michel Mouchon, who was on the video with Philippe earlier, is yeah, one of the best technicians I know. I've met him a lot. We've been working together for about 4 years now, maybe more. And I think I've travelled more with Michel than I have my wife. Thank you.